Make your fashion dreams a reality without breaking the bank by using Clearpay on Saramart. First things first, navigate to Saramart and find that item you've been eyeing. Once you're on the product page, you'll see the price clearly displayed. And importantly, look for the Clearpay logo or text indicating you can pay in installments. Clearpay allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal payments. The first payment is due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 are automatically charged every 2 weeks. This means you can enjoy your new items now and spread the cost comfortably. Once you've added your desired items to your Saramart cart, proceed to checkout as you normally would. At the payment stage, you'll be presented with various payment options. Simply select Clearpay as your preferred method. If you're new to Clearpay, you'll be prompted to create a quick account, or if you already have one, just log in. This is a straightforward process that usually takes mere moments. After completing the Clearpay authentication, you'll see a confirmation screen that outlines your payment schedule and the total amount to be paid. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct. And just like that, your Saramart order is confirmed. You've successfully used Clearpay to spread the cost of your shopping. Now you can confidently shop on Saramart, knowing you have a flexible and budget-friendly way to pay. Happy shopping!